Hello, this is Tim, one of the lead developers at TruckitSmart. Today I'm going to go over a new feature that allows you to flag loads or trucks while searching. Now this will help you organize and save loads or trucks that you're interested in during multiple searches. And once flagged, it also makes it easy to contact the multiple dispatchers, carriers, brokers, or shippers of the listings that you're interested in. Let's get started. First, log into your TruckitSmart account, and in the sub-navigation you'll see two links, Find Loads and Find Trucks. For this tutorial we'll go ahead and use Find Loads, and that will bring up the search page. Now go ahead and perform a search. Anywhere will do. In the results table, at the end of each row, you'll see a plus sign. This is the flag button. By clicking the flag button, you will be saving the load or truck temporarily for future reference. So let's go ahead and do that. Click the plus sign, and a pop-up will appear letting you know that the load or truck has been flagged. Click OK. And then the plus sign for that particular load or truck will now be a check mark. That is to let you know that that particular load or truck has been flagged. Let's click a few more. And now let's perform another search. Now if you do another search and the same load or truck appears in the results that you've already flagged, then the plus sign will be a check mark, and again that's just to let you know that you've already flagged that load or truck. So I'm just going to flag a few more here. And when you're done flagging and searching, go ahead and return to the My Load Board page, which can be accessed via the sub-navigation. And on the My Load Board page, you'll see all the loads or trucks that you flagged. From here you can click on the detail icon and get the particular load or truck's information to display. You can grab the contact information and make your phone calls. Now if you want to delete any of these, just hit the X button and they disappear. Keep in mind that flagged loads or trucks do not save permanently. They are only saved during your session. So once you log out or close your browser, they go away. And that's pretty much it. That's a flagging loads and trucks. And that's our new feature. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials and more features.